Hey there, and welcome to the channel. If you're returning, welcome back to the channel. Nice to have you again. Hope you've been having a good life. Today we're going to be doing some tie-dyeing. Oh, almost dropped it. With some bleach. Not to drink, not to play with, but to tie-dye. And wash your clothes. Wash your clothes, please. You're gonna stink. Alright, so I first saw this on Unus Annus. Of course, Jenna Marbles also did it. I'm only going to show Jenna Marbles because if I show Unus Annus, I have to take this video down, and I'm not taking the video down. So if you don't know who Unus Annus is, check out the link below. If the link's not there, you missed out. It's gone. Anyway, let's tie-dye! I don't want to break the table. Okay, hey there. We're gonna go and put the bleach in the water, and we're gonna do it now.
Few moments later.
I got open it! I know you guys like watching me struggle opening things, so I figured I'd move. To open, push down, and turn, close tightly. Well, push down to close. Okay, so open is this way. Okay, I got it. Oh no, don't you dare. Oh, are you kidding me? Son of a biscuit. That worked. So I decided I wanted to tie-dye these because they're one of my pajama pants that I wear often, and I mean, I prefer dark clothing, but I figured if I'm going to tie-dye things, I might as well do something about this, because, I mean, it's navy blue, but it could be light blue and navy blue and look really cool in tie-dye, so I figured, let's do it! I will not need all of these, but it was quicker to grab them all, so I did. Okay. How am I going to tie these up? Next piece of clothing I'm going to be doing is this black shirt with a pocket on the front. I don't really wear it that often, so I figured I'd do something to it to maybe make me wear it more. On the back, it has a local, I think, business that used to be around where I live, but not anymore. Smells like a pool in here, or out here. I'm going to redo this one. Let it soak through. And here we have the black t-shirt. I really like it, honestly. It's a little too tight. I don't really like that it's that tight, but I like it. I love what happened with the pocket. So yeah. Now, for the one you've all been waiting for, the Unus Annus half and half merch, homemade. Ayy. I kind of like it. I really like it, actually. And I think I actually really like it, especially because I don't really like the color white on me. It makes me look bigger than I already am. So I didn't really want to buy the half and half merch in the first place, but this is tan or light brown instead of white, and it's way better. I feel way more comfortable in it, and I couldn't afford to buy the half and half merch anyway, so well. And that was tie-dyeing with Bleach. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to smash that like button, and if you enjoyed the vibe, why not subscribe? I really liked making this video. If you haven't seen Unus Annus, please check them out before November 14th, 2020. If it is past that date, I apologize, but like I said in the beginning of the video, it's too late, you missed out. That being said, my channel is still going to stay up. So, like I said, if you do like the video and you want to check out more of them before you subscribe, that's perfectly fine. But if you like my content already and you finished this video, there's a good chance you should probably subscribe, because a lot of people don't watch my entire video based on my analytics. So if you're seeing this, thank you so much. Please make sure to smash that like button and let me know. All right. Have a good day, y'all. Peace.